Hello dear engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will just talk about the boundary wall, that how to read the drawing for boundary wall. कि boundary wall के लिए हमने कैसे drawing को study करना है first. So first of all we have boundary wall front elevation, boundary wall plan elevation, front. This is for front, यानी the front of the villa. Boundary wall plan front. And boundary wall rear elevation. Rear यानी पीछे से from back side of the villa. So first of all we have this front gate यानी main gate and the small one gate. What is the length should be 4.2 meter यानी 14 feet. Here we have two dimension, meter and feet. This is the spacing between the doors, 1.5 feet yani 0.46 meter, and the length of this door 1.52 meter yani 5 feet. Here we have columns. This is column 0.3 meter yani 30 centi. Each column is 30 centi, and the height of this wall is 2.13 yani 7 feet. So this is the front elevation for the wall. Here we have the cross section at BB. We will take cross section from this wall at what should be the hidden specification for this wall. So first of all this is our plan yani front for this plan. So these are columns, and this is our main door spacing, and this is the small window. Here we have the cross section which have from the top it's light, 1 feet light, which have round shape, spare shape. Coping beam is top beam we provide on the top of the wall. 8-inch thick block wall, 8 inch and 20 centi you will provide block, hollow blocks. This is inside plot, this is outside from plot yani plot limit, and this is inside. This is our 0 level. From 0 level you will go 11 feet. So this is the cross section for the front. Let me talk about the boundary wall from the rear yani from back side of the villa. So what will be the difference? Here we have columns, and this will be have expansion joint 1 inch. We will provide expansion joint from yani 1 2 3 4 fourth column. There have expansion joint. Total length of this wall 30.83 meter, and 1 inch expansion joint we will provide. This is the detail spacing for each column. This is plot limit yani plot line. Here we have different dimension for the spacing between the columns and also for the expansion joint. Everything should be you study clear. And this is the cross section for the wall. Again, coping beam, light, and also the block masonry work. Everything should be here. You can study. So this is the explanation of boundary wall for the specific villa. Thank you for watching the video, and subscribe the channel for more latest updates.